Do your stakeholders know what the SLDS does? How can you explain it to them? One way is with an elevator speech, a short pitch that explains your SLDS in clear, non-technical language. It sounds simple, but without proper thought and preparation, these communications can leave your stakeholders confused about the message you're trying to convey. Let's look at what can happen without adequate preparation.
Hi there! Our SLDS is a centralized relational data warehouse solution to integrate records from across the P20W spectrum. Data will be submitted annually via secure FTP and linked using QTR, a hybrid soundex and edit distance algorithm employing deterministic and probabilistic methods and allowing flexibility for matching thresholds. The resulting longitudinal records will facilitate analysis of post-secondary and employment metrics. Well, nice to see you!
So how do you create an effective elevator speech? Start by knowing your audience. Your state governor has a different interest in the SLDS from parents at a local school. Tailor your speech to cover the information most important to the particular audience. Be sure your speech answers the questions, "What's in it for me?" and "Where do I fit in?" For example, when talking to your state's governor, let her know how the SLDS will support her policy agenda. When talking to parents, tell them how their child's information will be used to improve lesson plans and better prepare him for his future, all the while protecting his confidential information. Start your elevator speech by giving your audience a high-level explanation of what the SLDS is. Don't assume they already know about it. Focus on why the SLDS is needed and the value it brings, not on how it works. Don't go into too much technical detail or use jargon. Speak in terms your audience can understand. Practice your speech so that it sounds natural. Then you will be ready to use it when the opportunity arises. Update your speech regularly. Make sure it covers the latest progress and outcomes, as well as any issues of concern. Now let's try that elevator speech again.
The SLDS is our state's single source for high-quality education and employment information. It'll help us improve our schools and training programs, develop new policies, and demonstrate the value of our state's investments in education and workforce training.
For more information about elevator speeches and additional resources, visit the SLDS Stakeholder Engagement Community of Practice.